volunteers came to the rescue.
It was all thanks to Operation Enduring Gratitude. They're a nonprofit that they do quite a lot. The branches were coming down in North for their service to the country. The branches were coming down in North Phoenix Saturday at the home of 85-year-old veteran Phil Bremen. After cutting off volunteers home clearing them away.
These guys need help.
Volunteers were clearing them away.
Sure that
These guys need help. We're here to help.
just making sure that he's in a safe home and environment, and I mean, he deserves a lot more than this. He served our country.
Operation Enduring Gratitude got a call from Bremen's neighbor who said the poor guy just needed some help cleaning out his yard. At least 20 volunteers came with gloves, rakes, and shears.
It's indescribable. For a lot of people, it's their first time they've ever done something like this, and they always leave smiling. The rewards they take home at night, they tell others about it. It's fantastic.
The group included police officers, VFW riding clubs, and other veterans like Dorothy Zerlinder.
You serve your country, and that's, you know, it's a job first and foremost, but you still need to give back to the community. You know, you need to actually help people on a more personal level.
Operation Enduring Gratitude might be best known for the more than 50 wheelchair ramps they've built for veterans, but they've also rebuilt 5 veterans' houses, and they even gave a veteran a home earlier this year.
I think that's the best thing in life, is being able to give back.
Letting him know he's not alone. We're behind him, and we're here to help him.
These hard workers made sure service to country is always followed up with service.